What do you think of do you think of guys having many, let's say, short-term situations in the past
Okay.
versus women having those situations? Parang, kasi 'di ba, for the longest time, hindi ko alam kung Pinoy lang, but I think, I don't know if Pinoy lang or like double, mas mabigat lang siya for Pinoys kasi we're conservative. But, pag lalaki kasi,
Mas maraming fling.
hindi naman. Parang, when you weigh those against each other, parang yung guy, maraming past. And then yung babae, marami rin past. Parang, mas forgivable if yung lalaki yung maraming past.
Pag girl,
Oo.
parang ano ba
And to
yan?
that, I say, what the fuck?
Okay. What's my take on it?
I don't wanna hear something like, biologically.
Hindi.
What?
For
Ako
the-
kasi, I say, what the fuck, kasi, what the fuck?
Okay. Dito kasi yan galing. And, wala, it's an old, it's an old, commentary.
Oo, matagal na siya.
Di ba kasi,
Pero kasi, it's so relevant pa rin siya ngayon kasi super ano pa din, it's still a standard.
yeah,
Parang pagka babae ka tapos let's say nakatatlong ex ka tapos nasa 20 ka pa lang, like 25 ka pa lang,
parang sabi nila,
Parang-
pag na yan gago. Di ba?
Oo,
Yun yung mga
ganun.
sinasabi nila.
Or like, ano ba yan? Hindi naman. Pero
Oo.
pag lalaki,
Ayos lang yan. Explore lang.
fuckboy, ganyan.
Explore
Eh,
lang.
yung iba nga, standard nila. Gusto ko fuckboy.
Di ba? Ang weird.
Para cool.
Okay. For me, lumang awitin na kasi yan.
Yeah.
Parang, probably,
But where are you in that?
where am I?
Ah.
I think it's fucked up. Okay, number one, disclaimer. Most of my circles, okay?
Circles.
Most of my circles, yung
Like
guy,
friend groups.
yes, guy friends ko, ilan lang yung girlfriend sila.
Ah.
Yung
Kasi mga tatay ko eh.
yung girlfriends ko,
Cute ka.
okay, yung friends ko na girly pops, mas madalas ako makita na mas marami silang fling.
Ah.
Gets? Mas marami silang ka-situationship, mas maraming dumalang tao sa
Tao.
buhay nila.
Yeah.
Compared sa guy friends ko.
Yeah.
So, that's not...
Wait, disclaimer is not talking about, parang it's not talking about, like, sex life, whatever.
No. Like, tao lang.
Relationships lang.
Or relationships lang. So, where do I stand? I think, you do you. I'm completely fine with it.
Ako din, you do you.
Parang, for me, hindi na uso ang hindi na uso, and hindi rin kasi tama. Na kapag lalaki ka, mas forgiven ka pag mas marami kang kausap compared
Fuck the patriarchy.
compared to like women na you're seen as marumi, mababang uri kapag
problema mo.
Pag marami ka ng nakasalamuhang, lalaki.
Parang pag marami ng lalaking dumaan
Plus
sa
pag
buhay
na raw,
mo, parang,
gamit na, whatever. Kasi yung mga Pinay kasi may pagkabastos kasi talaga tayo. Parang,
oo, kasama
ang
yan
notion would always be like, wala, tatlo
alam
na
mo
yung...
sa Pinas, there's no in between.
Ang dami mo ng boyfriend, ang dami mo naging boyfriend, dami nang gumalaw sa'yo. That's always the fucking assumption. Parang di ba pwedeng, wala.
Parang if babae ka, are you not allowed to explore
Yeah, di ba?
yourself?
As long as you do it responsibly, and you do it with consent, and you do it safely, protected, hindi ka nagkakasakit doing it, so what's the fucking problem?
Ako for me then, there's no problem in that. Parang, yeah, you do you, be.
Basta ka sa masaya.
Huwag ka lang, huwag kang malapit sa akin na parang, ano ba yan? Kasi ganito, pinasok na naman ganito relasyon. Ay, problema mo yan.
Oo, problema. Parang dali mo yung bagay mo. But
I'm not one to judge.
Yeah, we're not gonna judge you.
Ano ginagawa mo on your own?
It's fine. Just do you.
Do you,
Just
diba?
protect yourself and do yourself justice by practicing it safely.
Enjoy, girls and
diba?
boys, diba? Yeah.
Parang, pero in terms of like that commentary in Filipino culture, it has to stop.
Yeah, bro. 2026 na, Diyos ko, nakakarinig pa ako ng ganyan.
Diba? Hayaan nyo guys, yung mga naniniwala sa ganun, pa-extinct na sila.
Yeah. Huwag naman nilang iyan, huwag nilang...
Pa-extinct na sila. sila na yung, at some point in time, sila na yung mahihiya for saying something like that kasi wala nang mag-agree sa kanila
I wish to live.
in that
I
lifetime.
wish to live until I hear those things.
Na sila na i-share mo. Wala,
Oo.
pakialam mo.
Tsaka parang, ang tanda mo. Ganun.
Yung tanda mo na yan pa rin iisip mo.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Yun. Basta, for me, for us,
just,
doesn't matter.
yeah. Kung ang trip mo,
Doesn't matter.
so,
Di, tsaka, if you find the person for you, it's the person for you.
sa, may, dito, sa for women who are like kind of, number one, I hope you're not insecure about it. But if you are, if you're insecure about having so many exes, and then, feeling mo, ang baba na ng worth mo as a person, as a woman, it's not true. Okay?
Don't buy it.
But if you think that way, and nahirapan ka to like shed that fucking belief, I'm telling you, someone's gonna come by, and, parang, wala siyang pakialam. If nakasampung boyfriend ka na beforehand, nakasampung girlfriend ka na beforehand, or both,
Oo.
parang the right person, if naniniwala ka dun sa right person,
Yes.
talaga, they wouldn't care. They wouldn't give a shit about it.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay, next. Do you want a question about parents? Like involving other people's opinions?
Okay, what?
Or, something like, kasi, sige. Ito na lang. Para mas general. Kasi, wag na yung about older people. Kasi, we all know older people.
Wag na, hindi na sila kasali.
Guys, older people, they can still change because all people can change.
Yeah.
All
But,
people are capable of change, but
wala natin sila isipin. Okay.
isipin nyo na lang.
Oldies.
Isipin nyo na lang, they've got their decisions. They made their decisions. Pati yung thoughts nila, it's a matter of decisions, diba?
Yeah.
You got yours. Do whatever, what the hell.
Yeah.
Okay.